Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Hope you are doing well. Before starting our video, press the bell icon, like, comment and share my video with your family and friends. For more videos, can stay connected with us. Here are some stair decoration ideas. These stunning staircases are sure to inspire your own grand entrance. Consider this motivation to reach new style heights. Staircases are the spine of the home. Not only do they bridge together the rooms and stories within a house, but they are often the first space a guest encounters at the entryway. As such, staircases serve dual purposes. They must be welcoming as well as functional. With such an elevated role within a home, staircases deserve just as much decorative consideration and polish as the rest of the home. Subscribe my channel, like, comment and share my video with your family and friends. And the examples are like staircases make for ideal spaces for modern wallpapers or a dash of unexpected color, unique lighting and artful collection, and statement making runners also brilliant ways to enliven staircases. Finally, banisters made of hand-forged iron, custom fretwork, and even inlaid tiles can transform stairs into sculptural masterpieces. Watch on the Discover striking collection of our all-time favorite staircase designs. These beautiful staircase ideas will help you plot out your own grand entrance. And the grey garden stairhouse, black and white combination, scenery decor. Subscribe my channel, like, comment and share my video with your family and friends. Press the bell icon and thanks for watching my video.